gentlemen, this is something they call a groundbreaker. So let me first apologize to the shirts and the ties for your makeup. Cause I'll make you hot as soon as it drops. We're on a rampage. But we pop it up before you know it. Just bubbling up, cause we'll be crashing it up. Somebody say gentlemen, what you're about to witness is no illusion. And now we got the bass banging from head to Buckingham Palace. They're all moving. Hey,